Initial indications point to a United States MQ-9 Reaper drone crashing near Hodeidah in Yemen, allegedly shot down by a Houthi surface-to-air missile. Previously, it was unclear whether the drone crashed or was downed. However, a spokesperson for the Iran-backed Houthi rebels claimed responsibility for shooting down the MQ-9. The incident is under investigation, but it's not the first time the Houthis have targeted US drones. Last November, they downed another MQ-9. The Houthis' actions come amidst ongoing attacks on commercial shipping in the Red Sea and US strikes against their capabilities in Yemen. On Monday, February 19th, the Houthis launched missiles and drones towards merchant vessels and US and coalition warships. 2 US-owned commercial ships were struck, though no injuries were reported. The attacks prompted condemnation from US State Department spokesperson Matthew Miller, who highlighted the reckless nature of targeting ships carrying humanitarian aid. The Houthis, however, defended their actions as support for Palestinians and retaliation against perceived aggression. In response, the US took action, destroying a surface-to-air missile launcher and intercepting one-way attack drones. Over several hours, US and coalition forces thwarted multiple drone attacks, demonstrating a commitment to safeguarding maritime security. The US and UK have conducted joint strikes in recent weeks targeting Houthi munitions and command centers in Yemen. As tensions escalate, the international community remains vigilant, seeking to prevent further destabilization in the region. In a complex geopolitical landscape, the struggle for control and influence continues, with Yemen serving as a critical battleground for regional powers and the interests.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.